All right, we have the Speedo nose clip. There's a couple different ones that I've seen on Amazon, and I kind of tried them all. I ended up keeping this one, and then the other one I made a video for. And I like this one. I just kind of wanted to have a backup, just in general. I'm not competing. It's more just for me, for my fitness and stuff like that. Comes with a small little case, which is always awesome to throw in your bag. And you actually have the nose piece that's very simple, kind of straight to the point, feels durable. It's lasted for, I think I've had it for like 3 months now. I usually end up going for the other one. It fits my nose a little bit better. But I think it's all gonna depend on how your nose is shaped. This one I'm not a huge fan of. I really do like the other one. I do have another video for it. I prefer that one. I think it just is a little more universal, because these are kind of like a one-size-fits-all kind of situation. I think this one doesn't fit my nose, and I got a pretty big nose. This one doesn't really fit my nose as much, but if you are interested, the link's in the description below to help you purchase this product. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel to help support it. Thanks for watching, guys.